Well, this next song is very appropriate in its title for the Northwest. It's called Wind and Rain. It's also the title of a record, coincidentally. That worked out nicely. But it's a kind of a strange story of two sisters who fall in love with the same guy, and they settle it the old-fashioned way by killing one another. They don't write them like they used to. Or do they? Anyway, I learned this song from Bob Soper. If you ever get a chance to see Bob, he's a fantastic singer and guitar player, fiddle player. We have to keep him in Portland because he's too talented. Ready? A one, a two, a one, two. There were two sisters from the county Clare. Oh, the wind and the rain. One was dark and the other was fair. Oh, cold the wind and rain. And they both had a love of the miller's son. Oh, the wind and the rain. But he was fond of the fairer one. Oh, cold the wind and rain. So she pushed her into the river to drown. Oh, the wind and the rain. Watch her as she floated out. Oh, cold the wind and rain. Floating on down to the miller's pond. Oh, the wind and the rain. Dead on the water like a golden swan. Oh, cold the wind and the rain. And she came to rest on the riverside. Oh, the wind and the rain. Her bones washed clean by the rolling tide. Oh, cold the wind and the rain. And along the road came a fiddler fair. Oh, the wind and the rain. He found her bones just lying there. Oh, cold the wind and the rain. A fiddle peg from her long finger bone. Oh, the wind and the rain. He made a fiddle peg from her long finger bone. Oh, cold the wind and the rain. And he strung up his bow with her long yellow hair. Oh, the wind and the rain. He strung up his bow with her long yellow hair. Oh, cold the wind and the rain. And he made a little fiddle from her little breastbone. Oh, the wind and the rain. He made a little fiddle from her little breastbone. Oh, cold the wind and the rain. But the only tune that that fiddle would play was oh, the wind and the rain. The only tune that that fiddle would play was oh, cold the wind and the rain. Thank you. There's a moral in there. I think it's reuse, reduce, and recycle.